Welcome to my channel, Tech Lounge.
Hello, dear colleagues. Today we'll discuss an issue and workarounds when using circular patterns on sketch elements before solid modeling in FreeCAD version 1.1. First of all, to visualize what we are going to explain, we start by drawing an ordinary solid model. I click parametric body as usual, and I want to create a sketch here. I will work on the XY plane. The sketch appeared in front of me. I took my circular drawing tool, and accepting the origin point as the center, I draw a circle with a diameter of 150 millimeters. I exit the sketch mode and say OK. And now I want to give it a thickness. Let's say 20 millimeters. I rotate my part so that its front face is now looking at me. Now I will open a sketch on this front face. I'm switching to sketch mode. My sketch is here. Again, I take circular drawing tool. Approximately right here, I drew a circle with a diameter of 15 millimeters. I exited the sketch mode. My circle is visible here. Everything seems to be going right. I am entering the sketch mode again. Now I will duplicate this circle circularly around this center. To do this, first I select my circle. Then I activate the polar pattern command. On the left side, I specify that I want 12 circles. Then I choose the center. My center point is the origin point. I will start from this direction, and in this way I completed 12 circles by rotating them 360 degrees. I have 12 circles in front of me. I exit back, and now I want to give them some volume. I click Extrude. As you can see, everything lays out quite nicely. My 12 cylinder are ready. Unfortunately, now you will see what kind of trouble we are in. I click OK, and we are faced with a situation like this. So, the topic of this video is, why did this happen? And what is the solution? I go back to my single circle sketch mode. Now we will repeat the steps, and you will understand the reason behind this problem in a moment. In fact, we did not make a mistake. FreeCAD did. I select my circle and activate polar pattern, specify 12 circles from the left side. And I am marking the center. I state my starting direction. And I begin rotating slowly so you can notice it better. Look at the last drawn circle at the very top. When it reaches 360 degrees, two circles overlap. In other words, another circle comes on top of my original circle at the beginning. Therefore, there is an overlapping drawing here, drawings that have come on top of each other. So, while assuming I drew 12 circles, in reality, I drew 13 circles. The starting and ending circles overlapped. Consequently, when I perform an extrude operation here, unfortunately, the model crashes due to these overlaps. To prevent this, what I need to do is delete one of these two overlapping circles. This is the workaround I found. I click the circle and press the delete key. Now there is only a single circle here. There are no two circles on top of each other. I click close. Let me rotate my part a bit to get better view. And I click extrude. Then I click OK. As you can see, our model was created perfectly. This problem occurs exclusively when performing a 360-degree pattern, because an overlap occurs only in that specific case. For example, I select my circle, activate polar pattern. Write that I want 12 circles as before. Select the center, select the starting direction, and I want 12 circles at, for instance, this time 270 degrees. I click Close and activate Extrude. Look, it formed without any problems. However, when you do 360 degrees, the starting circle and the last circle overlap with each other. I think this is a bug, so for now we'll use this workaround and move on in this manner. I hope this bug will be fixed in new versions in the near future. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment below. Take care.
Tech Lounge.